Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tom Cornelius here, application engineer at 3M. Today's topic is going to be properly sanding the substrate following our previous cleaning step that we showed you in the last video using the 3M standard operating procedures. It's important to remember to wear your proper PPE. You can see today I'm wearing cut-resistant gloves, a respirator, safety glasses, as well as hearing protection. Another thing to remember is that this video is intended for professional settings such as the body shop or paint shop. For more safety and warranty information, please see the link below. Now that we've completed our cleaning step, the next step in the process is going to be sanding down the repair area all the way down to bare metal, typically 2 to 4 inches beyond the damaged area. Our recommendation is that we use dust extraction using either a net or paper abrasive, and typically at 80 to 120 for this step to make certain we get down to bare metal. Anything coarser or finer could lead to issues. Well, that wraps it up for this video. Today we covered the initial sanding step following 3M standard operating procedures. Hope you liked this video. If you did, you can hit the like button. Please feel free to share it. You can hit the subscribe button. Or if you want to see more videos like this, definitely check out the 3M Collision Repair Academy. Thank you.